Okay, real quick. I cut out the 5-inch, cut the pandit off, and look at the rust around this takeoff. That's all. That's from condensation. That's all from condensation. Look at this. And it was leaking. See that? Ow! Oh, just got a splinter. Oh, jeez. It's leaking. Yeah, I was just watching a guy on. In fact, I subscribed to him. Ted something on YouTube. He's I think the name of his channel is Anti-DIY. Really, I like his channel, so I sub to it. He hates this. I think he calls it duct board. I call it fiber board. I don't know what, I guess duct board. He would know more than I would about it. He hates duct board probably just as much as I do. And that's saying something. So, yeah, look at that. Look at all that rust. Let's take this off. See how this looks around here. Yeah. I thought about not keeping the insulation. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might just curl it up and put it over in the attic space somewhere and forget about it, But, you know what I really... Oh, wait a minute. There's holes. See that sunlight down there? See that? That's not good. Yeah. Some holes in there. But, as I was saying, I can't wait to take a look inside this plenum. I can't wait to, and I'm hoping that I don't see anything bad, as far as like mold. That's what I'm really hoping not to see. I don't want to see any mold, because if I do, well, that's a whole nother ball game. And so we're going to cross that bridge when we get there, and I'll share it with you, because I'm going to shine the light in. But I think I'm onto something. I don't know if it's right, but I'm moving that takeoff to over there. Somewhere over there. And I'm going to plug this thing up with probably with the scrap that I get off of that when I make the hole for that takeoff. I'll fashion it, because I don't know if I can buy this stuff in the store. I don't know if Lowe's carries this. I don't know if I can just go to Lowe's and say, hey, I need a piece of, duct board, you got any? Not that I've ever looked in Lowe's for it, but, So anyway, this is cut. This is out. I'm committed. I like where it's going to go there. Not here, as with my original plan. I'm going to go elbowless, except for probably when it comes right off the takeoff. And I know that's going to stick out a little bit, but it's not in the way, and I'm hoping it's going to work out. I think it will. We'll see. If I have to go elbows, no big deal. I'm thinking I'd like to upload this to my channel and have you guys comment on it, but I just gotta. Like I said, I've been spinning my wheels, so I don't want to be spinning my wheels anymore. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna go turn my AC off, because now that this is exposed, I don't want to be air conditioning my attic. So, all right, stay tuned. I'm taking a break. More to come.